Okay, once you got the E, A, and D, you know, that'll take you a long time, but once you're here, we got to teach you your very first song, and that starts off, and they're all done on these two strings, the E and the A. Starts off on the 2nd fret, open, open, hammer on the E string, 2nd fret, hammer, open, open, hammer, open, hammer, and that's on the ring finger of the 3rd fret. So it's, and then it goes to the 5th fret. Starting off, I use my ring finger twice down to the 4th fret, and then really bring it right back. Then you do the walk down. 5th, 4th, 5th E, 3rd E, open. So. And then it swings all the way up to the 7th fret. Same thing. But when you walk it down that time, you go E string 5th fret, E string 7th fret, E string 5th fret, E string 3rd fret. So all together it's. So it goes from the 5th to the 7th to the 5th to the 7th. You can do as many times as you want. But when you're all ready to go, you go right to that E chord, the great E. And it's this E and D, a two chord wonder. The whole song. And when I'm on the D chord, I'll do this all the time, every song. You can take your pinky and throw it right on the bottom string E. Everything stays the same, but you throw your pinky in on it and hit the bottom one. And otherwise than that, I'm just hitting as many open chords as I can do. And then when I go up to the E, I hit the hammer on the open E string. That's it. That's Cold Rain and Snow right there. That's how you do it.